Welcome back to Adventures with Bob and Steph. Yes, we are camping again. This is the third trip in almost as many weeks, and we are for sure going to get our usage out of the brand new RV we just bought. So we are here in Graeagle we're in Clio, California at River's Edge RV Park. And we're going to give the kind of a quick review later on. But yeah, it's a really nice park, and we're pretty thrilled with the spot that we've got. So anyway, it's time for breakfast, and Steph, of course, whipped up a awesome burrito breakfast. She's looking out for yellow jackets, but she also got a brand new canopy gazebo to prevent the yellow jackets and the meat bees from coming in and invading our breakfast. So we are
just swarm you.
We're going to get to eat in relative peace.
Yes, I was looking and there were two here and they flew away.
They're on the outside though, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
On the outside.
So we've got a nice screening so that
so I can eat outside.
What was that again?
I can eat outside and enjoy.
Wait, one more time.
I can eat outside again.
No yellow jackets. Look at them. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. They're just buzzing outside the net here, trying to get in. And it's like, no dice, bucko. One of the first things we noticed here at River's Edge in Clio, California, River's Edge RV Park, is that it's very, very well maintained. I mean, they have gravel down for every campsite. And believe it or not, after every camper has vacated, they rake it out so it's nice and level and clean. So this park has got it going on. It's very, very well maintained and very clean. So we're enjoying it. And on top of that, the name holds true. River's Edge, it literally is right alongside the middle fork of the Feather River. So with that in mind, not only do you have camping and RVing, but you've got kayaking, swimming right next to the campgrounds. What you got there, hon?
Ribs and tater salad and coleslaw.
Very good. I'm going to be a little more dainty and eat my ribs with a fork. Less messy. So far, no mess on the hands, no mess on the face.
Mess on the hands. Mess on the face.
Yeah. We're going to show you.
They're shrubs.
Look at that mess. That is just unacceptable.
Totally acceptable. It's ribs.
You've got on the back of your hand there.
Do I? Oh, on my pinky. Do.
So we're out here having dinner, and it's dark outside. You can't really tell because the light's in the tent, but behind me, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, crickets. That sounds wonderful, doesn't it?
I love the sound of crickets.
Yeah. Listen. Pretty cool, huh? I think it's pretty awesome. All right, so we're under the canopy for dessert. What do you got there? What is it?
That's a cinnamon.
What is it?
Bruh.
It looks like a s'more, but
This has the cinnamon ganache in it. I don't like it.
So we're going to check out the little store here at River's Edge. Kind of cute, offering a few items here. We're going to go check it out. All right. So we got standard fare. We got some cool cups, yeah. Standard fare with the candy and
Wow.
supplies. Oh wow, Tim Hortons coffee.
So
We haven't
Tim
seen that in a
Hortons.
long time.
Tim Hortons is Canada.
Usually, yeah. That's
So
cool.
that's interesting.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
A few RV supplies. That's handy. Nice. A few drinks and snacks. One of the things we wanted to take a look at while we're here in Clio is the Clio Trestle. Kind of a icon here in the local area. And we're going to see if we can get a closer view of it, but there's a view through the trees anyway. Wow, it's not going to be a swim day today, is it?
No. I don't think it's going to be a swim today. That's pretty black and behind us too.
Yeah, to the south and to the east of us.
Yeah.
We looked at the map, the radar on the Weather Channel, and it looks like it's supposed to miss us. So we're hoping that's the case. It's supposed to go just to the east of us. It's moving from the south to the north. So we're hoping that it skips on by us. So it looks like we got back from our walk to the river just in the nick of time, because just out of nowhere, all of a sudden, we've got this summer squall and it's raining hard out of nowhere. It's funny because all the kids that just 5 minutes ago were riding their bicycles around the park have now scrambled back to their RVs because it's pouring. But I tell you what, this smells amazing. It really does smell wonderful. All the rain mixed with the pine and the earth. Oh gosh, it smells good. So, what do you do when you're stuck inside and it's raining outside? Well, you play a little ukulele, right? Bright and early Saturday morning, and we're taking a quick drive to a neighbor town just a couple miles away, Graeagle, because we found out that this weekend there is a craft fair. And we've seen the craft fair here in Graeagle before. It's a lot of fun. So we're going to go check it out. And I think Steph's even more excited, yeah?
Yeah. Shop for Christmas.
Christmas presents.
All year long. Yep.
try some samples?
I know my wife would, yeah.
Okay. Here are sour cream loose snips.
Was a cold and cruel evening sneaking up on Feather River. Found myself sleeping in the snow. 1 or 2 odd reasons I ain't too proud to plead. Now I'll say I had no place to go. What's your love turned to me that time? But you don't know a damn thing to me. I got my head with John B. Stetson. Got a bottle full of babies for that wine. I left my stash somewhere down in Graeagle.
Well, that wraps up another episode of Adventures with Bob and Steph. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. And until next time,
More adventures,
more adventures to come.
Yeah.
Later. That's going to be a blooper edit.